Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving into an amazing tool for video creation. The name of the tool is Pika AI, and here is the URL. Previously, this tool was only available through Discord, but now it has launched its new web-based tool. To use it, simply click on sign in with Google, or you can sign in with Discord as well. Once you're logged in, you'll come to this page, and from here you can check out all these cool videos created by other users. If you like any of these videos, you can even download it by clicking it here, or you can use these features to recreate the same video. So there are a few ways through which you can make these videos. The first one is pretty standard. You can use the prompt and the AI will generate the video for you. And in addition to that, they have image to video and video to video generator as well. Let's enter our prompt here. So I wrote the prompt: a stormtrooper and a small dog having a campfire in the snow, anime and Studio Ghibli style. Click on this icon for video options, and then in here you can select the format and you can select the frame rates as well. Click on the second icon, and here you can get all the camera controls. After that, we have the motion strength. You can increase it or you can decrease it based on your requirement. For this video, let's not change anything. And after that, click on the last icon, and then in here you can add negative prompt as well, and you can adjust the consistency with the text. Just click on this icon to generate the video. So while it generates that, let's make another video from the same prompt, but we're gonna change the style. Let's try the same thing in another style. Alright, so our videos are ready. The first one is in the style of Studio Ghibli. This one is in cinematic style. And the last one is in cyberpunk style. I really liked all this animation. Let's check out what these features can do. Let's click on retry and check out what the AI does. Alright, so the AI has generated a different version of the same video. So this was our first video, and this is the next one. That's really great. I really like the quality of the animation here. Let's try adding one more prompt. So I wrote Godzilla in the streets of Japan. Let's check out the motion controls this time. And increase the strength of motion. Increase the consistency as well. And then click here to generate. So while it generates, let's try the same prompt in different styles. Alright, so the AI has generated some funky videos. This one is actually kind of cool. But this one is really creepy. But it kind of works as well. But the last one, we don't even have the Godzilla in it. Maybe the Godzilla has just left. Overall, the animations are good, but the text to video wise, we have to work on our prompt. Now let's try the image to video option. Click here and then select our images. First, let's check it out without any prompts. That's actually pretty neat. Now let's check it out with the prompt. Alright, so our video is ready and it's a little bit funky. But it's very psychedelic. You can use it in your projects. Now let's check out the video to video option. Select your video and then write your prompt. And there you go, our results are ready. This one is a little bit weird. So what we can do, we can either click on retry or we can reprompt this. Alright, so here are the other examples that I've generated through this AI. Alright, so that was it for today. That was the new web-based tool by Pika AI. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel so that it reaches to more people. I'll see you guys in the next video.